Poor eyesight improvement through daily eye habits. Clear vision is not luck. It is care over time. This lesson surprised me. This changed my routine fast, quietly, but noticeably. My eyesight started slipping after 40. Screens felt harsher. Night driving became harder. I searched for quick fixes, drops, gadgets. Nothing lasted. The real shift came from understanding eye biology, not chasing miracles. Why eyesight declines. Aging affects lens flexibility. Blood flow to the retina slows. Oxidative stress increases. These are normal processes, not sudden failure. The most effective long-term support is protecting retinal cells, not forcing vision sharper instantly. How nutrition supports eyesight. The retina uses antioxidants constantly. Lutein and zeaxanthin filter blue light. They accumulate in the macula. This mechanism is explained by the National Institutes of Health. Studies in the Journal of the American Medical Association Ophthalmology show these carotenoids support visual function with age. Effects depend on intake and baseline health. My personal change was simple. I added leafy greens daily, spinach and kale, small portions, consistently. Omega-3 fatty acids mattered too. They support tear film stability. The Mayo Clinic links them to eye comfort, especially in older adults. Screen habits were critical. I reduced continuous focus time. Every 20 minutes, I looked far away. This relaxes eye muscles. Sleep improved my vision comfort. The eyes repair during rest. Poor sleep increased dryness and blur. This was not instant sharp vision, but strain reduced quickly. Clarity felt steadier. Important clarification. No food reverses vision loss. Support is gradual. Results vary by condition. Some supplements may not suit everyone, especially with medications. Possible side effects. High doses may upset digestion. Food sources are safer. Always consult an eye doctor, especially after age 50. Before supplement use. How to track progress. Note eye fatigue, dryness frequency, night vision comfort. This was improvement, not a cure. Built on habits. If this helped you, like the video and share your thoughts. Care daily. Your eyes notice consistency.